Hello students, again we are back with online education. So in the previous class, that is up to offline classes, I had started with statistics topic where I had stopped at variance and standard deviation for grouped data. One example was completed using both the methods, that is one method is finding variance and standard deviation using the formula 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar square. This is one formula to find the variance. The second formula is standard deviation is equal to root of this. Variance value ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದರದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ standard deviation ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. So no need of remembering this formula. You can find variance first, then take the square root value, you get the standard deviation. Okay, or otherwise there is one more method known as shortcut method. So in examination, if they ask you to find variance and standard deviation using shortcut method, then you can go for this method. Otherwise, if you find this formula as helpful and easy for you, you can remember this. So the formula to find variance for using shortcut method is h square divided by n square, n into summation fi di square minus summation fi di whole square. Okay, standard deviation will be square root of this value, square root of h square will be h, square root of n square will be n. So this will be n into summation fi di square minus summation fi di whole square. So here the x bar value is nothing but the mean value. Okay, so mean, I know you know the formula fi into xi divided by n. So you have to find the value of mean first. So x bar value andre mean value find madbeka summation fi xi divided by n formula. So mean value sikmale each xi value in the x bar value subtract madbeka, then you have to take the square of that. Okay, so we had stopped till here to find variance and standard deviation. Okay, so we'll continue with the next examples of this topic. So here I have written the first question. Find mean, variance and standard deviation. All the three you have to find: mean, variance and standard deviation. So here the given data is grouped data. Grouped data, why it is called as grouped data? Because class intervals and frequency both are given, so it is called as grouped data. If it is not given, then it will be a discrete frequency distribution or it will be a ungrouped data. Okay, based on those two concepts we have already solved the examples. So this is one of the important concept. So class interval is given, frequency is given. So first I'll solve one example using this method, one more example using shortcut method. Okay, so you know that I require first, the first column is what? Xi column. Okay, this is your frequency given. So idu fi agtado. Here the next column will be xi column. Xi is what? Midpoint of these two values. So 0 plus 10, 10. 10 divided by 2 will be 5. Okay, next 10 plus 20, 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40, 70. 70 divided by 2 is 35. 40 plus 50, 90. 90 divided by 2 is 45. So you have to take the midpoint value of that. So next I will calculate the value of n. So n is equal to, so adding all this, 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 15 plus 16 plus 6. Okay, you can use your calculators to verify the answers. So n is equal to 50 I get. Okay, so next I have xi, I have fi. So the next column will be fi into xi. Okay, so I have to multiply. 5 into 5 will be 25. 8 into 15 will be 120. 25 into 15 will be 375. 16 into 35 will be 360. Sorry, it is 560. Next 45 into 6, it is 270. So once again verify all the answers. 5 into 5, xi is here, fi is here. You have to multiply these two columns. 5 into 5, 25. 8 into 15, 120. 15 into 25, 375. 16 into 35, 560. 6 into 45, it is 270. So this will be what? Summation fi into xi. So add all these 25 plus 120 plus 375 plus 560 plus 270. So this will be equal to 1350. Okay. So next, so the first thing I'm going to find is mean value. So mean value is given by the symbol x bar. It is what? Summation fi into xi divided by n. Okay, so what is summation fi into xi? 1350 divided by n value is 50. So if I divide it, I get the value as 27. So x bar value is 27. So next column will be xi minus x bar. Okay, xi is here. From each xi you have to go on subtracting x bar value. Okay, so first xi is 5. 5 minus 27. So this will be equal to minus 22. Next 15, 27. 15 minus 27 will be equal to minus 12. 25. 25 minus 27 will be equal to minus 2. Next 35. 35 minus 27 will be equal to 8. 45. 45 minus 27 is equal to 80. Okay. So this is xi minus x bar. So next I have to take the square of this. Xi minus x bar square. So 22 is there. Minus 22 square means minus 22 into minus 22. It becomes plus 484. Next 12 square. Minus 12 into minus 12. It becomes 144. 2 square, it is 4. Then 8 square, it is 64. 18 square is 324. Okay, so last column will be fi into xi minus x bar square. Okay, so here you have xi minus x bar square. Here you have the values of fi. So you have to multiply these two columns. Okay, 5 into 484, you get 2420. So next 144 into 8. 144 into 8 will give you 1152. Next 4 into 15 is 60. 64 into 16, it is 1024. Okay, last 324 into 6, 1944. Okay, so then this will be summation fi into xi minus x bar square. So this is equal to adding all these 2420 plus 1152 plus 60 plus 1024 plus 1944. So you get the answer as 6600. Okay, you can verify the answer once again. Okay, so add all these numbers. So the value is 6600. So next I told you the formula to calculate variance. Variance is denoted by the symbol sigma square. So it is given by 1 by n into summation I is equal to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar square. So this is 1 divided by 50, n value is 50, into summation of this value you got it as 6600. So its value is equal to 132. So this is your variance value. If you want standard deviation, so it will be equal to square root of 132, which is equal to 11.48. So this is variance. This is standard deviation. Okay. So just see all the steps first. So I have calculated first Fi is given. So first in ಮಾಡಬೇಕು midpoint values calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So by taking the midpoint of these values. Okay. So next column will be Fi into Xi. So you have to multiply Fi and Xi. Okay. You will get the summation of that divided by n as mean value. So X bar value will be equal to 27. So from each Xi value you have to go on subtracting X bar. That is 5 minus 27, 15 minus 27, 25 minus 27, 35 minus 27, 45 minus 27. Okay, you will get these values. After getting these values, take the square of that value. 22 square 484, 12 square 144, 2 square 4, 8 square 64, 18 square 324. Last column in madbekandra Xi minus X bar square is here, Fi is here. So multiply this. 484 into 5, 144 into 8, 15 into 4, 16 into 64, 6 into 324. Okay, you will get these values. Take the summation of that. That is addition of all those. You will get 6,600. Okay, so 6,600 divided by n. If you do, you will get the variance value. If you take the square root of that variance value, you get the standard deviation. So this is one method to find mean, variance and standard deviation. So if the question is given find mean, variance and standard deviation, you can use this formula. So I hope that this example is clear. So next we shall solve the same find mean, variance and standard deviation but by using shortcut method. There is one more method known as shortcut method. So I have taken one more example here. Find mean, variance and standard deviation using shortcut method. So you have to use shortcut method to find the mean, variance and standard deviation. So shortcut method, you have one more formula which I had already told you. So using that formula you have to solve the mean, variance and standard deviation. Okay. So the first step will be same. You have to again find the column that is Xi, which is nothing but the midpoint value of these two. So 70 plus 75 divided by 2. 70 plus 75 is 145. 145 divided by 2 will be equal to 72.5. So next 75 plus 80 divided by 2, it will be equal to 77.5. Okay. Next 80 plus 85, it is equal to 82.5. 85 plus 90 divided by 2, it is equal to 87.5. Next will be 92.5, 97.5, 102.5, 107.5. Then next will be 112.5. So these are nothing but what? The midpoint values of these two. Adding upper limit, lower limit divided by 2. So you will get the midpoint values. Then after getting the midpoint values, so next step, what is that? You have to find the deviation here because you have the formula using deviation. So it is given by the formula di. So di is equal to xi minus a divided by h. Okay, so I write here. So di formula is given by xi minus a divided by h. So what is this a? It is nothing but an assumed mean. So from all these values, you have to take one midpoint value. So idrolaga one madhyad yavadaru one value ನೀವು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. If there are two values, you can take either of two. Otherwise, you have to take the middle most term, xi value. will be each xi values. A value ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದಿಷ್ಟರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮಿಡಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So I take here 4 values are there, here 4 values are there. So I get the middle value as 92.5. So assumed mean is equal to 92.5. Okay, so A value I have taken it as 92.5. xi values illidava, so each xi ಒಳಗೆ minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Divided by h ಅದ, h is nothing but the width of this class. So 70 to 75 there exist 5, so h value is equal to how much? 5. So now you have to subtract them. So 72.5 minus 92.5 divided by 5. 72.5 minus 92.5 will be equal to minus 20. Minus 20 divided by 5 will be equal to minus 4. Okay, next 77.5 minus 92.5 divided by 5, you get minus 3. Next 82.5 minus 92.5 is minus 10. Minus 10 divided by 5 is minus 2. Next 87.5 minus 92.5, you get minus 5. Minus 5 divided by minus 5 is minus 1. Next 92.5 minus 92.5, it is already 0. Next 97.5 minus 92.5, it is 5. 5 divided by 5 will be equal to 1. Next 102.5 minus 92.5 divided by 5 will be equal to 2. 107.5 minus 92.5, it is equal to 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Next 112.5 minus 92.5, it is 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay, so from each xi you have to subtract the assumed mean and divide it by h. You will get these values. This is known as what? Di column. Okay, so next what I have to do is I have to calculate fi into di. Fi into di. So this is your fi, that is frequency. Di column is here. You have to multiply these two terms. So 4 into minus 3, it is minus 12. 4 into minus 3, again minus 12. 7 into 2, it is minus 14. 7 into 1, minus 7. 15 into 0, 0. 9 into 1, 9. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 3, 18. 3 into 4, 12. Okay, so you have to multiply fi and di column. So this will be equal to summation fi into di. Okay, so here we have n. We have to add all these 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 7 plus 15 plus 9 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3. So I think you get the value as 60. Okay, so here minus 12, minus 12, minus 14, minus 7. Add these all. So it will be equal to minus 12, minus 12, minus 24. So minus 24, minus 14, minus 7. So if you add all these, I think you get it as minus 45. These terms, it is minus 45. Next, add these 9 plus 12 plus 12 plus 18, you get it as 51. Okay, so 51 minus 45, you get the value as 6. Okay, you can take your calculators and verify. So minus 12, minus 12, minus 14, minus 7, plus 9, plus 12, plus 18, plus 12. So you get the value as 6. So here to calculate the mean value, that is x bar value, you have the formula assumed mean plus summation fi into di divided by n into h. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate mean value. Okay, so assumed mean, I have taken it as 92.5 plus summation fi di, I have got it as 6. N value is 60 into height h is 5. Okay, so this will be equal to 6 ones are 6 tens are I can calculate. Okay, 5 ones are 5 twos are. So this is 92.5 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 92.5 plus 1 by 2 is how much? 0.5, which is equal to 93. So you get mean value, x bar value as how much? 93. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಾರವರು mean, variance and standard deviation using shortcut method. So using shortcut method we get the mean value as how much? 93. Okay. So next I have to calculate variance and standard deviation. To find variance and standard deviation I have to require two more columns here. One will be di square, one will be fi into di square. Okay, so these are your di values. Take the square of them. So 4 square will be 16, 3 square will be 9, 2 square will be 4, 1 square will be 1. 0, 1 square is again 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Okay, so next fi into di square. Here you have your fi column, here you have your di square column. So fi ಮತ್ತು di square na multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 16 into 3 it is 48, 9 into 4 it is 36, 7 into 4 28, 7 into 1 7, 15 into 0 0, 9 into 1 9, 6 into 4 24, 6 into 9 54, 16 into 3 48. Okay, so add all these. 48 plus 36 plus 28 plus 7 plus 9 plus 24 plus 54 plus 48. Okay, so if you add this you will get summation fi into di square, which is equal to 254. So this is the value. Okay, so now I want the value of variance. So variance formula is given by h square divided by n square into n into summation fi di square minus summation fi di whole square. Okay, so h value is how much? 5. So 5 square divided by n value is how much? 60. 60 square into n value is 60, summation fi di square 254 minus summation fi di 6. So substitute all the values. 5 square is 25 divided by 6 it is 36. 60 into 254 15,240 minus 36. So if you multiply 25 into 15,240 minus 36, it becomes 15,204 divided by 3,600. So value how much you get? 105.58. Okay, so variance value is 105.58. If you want standard deviation, so it is square root of 105.58, which is equal to 10.27. Okay, so this is one more way of calculating mean, variance and standard deviation. You can either use the first one which I taught you, or if they particularly ask you by using shortcut method, then you have to go for this method. Otherwise choose which is easy for you. So ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ xi ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ 2 ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ xi ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ xi ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಿಡಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಮಧ್ಯ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು 92.5, ಹೆಚ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 5. ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಚ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 70 to 75 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಬಿಡ್ತು? 5. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಂಗೆ ಡಿ ಐ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಹೆಚ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 72.5 ಮೈನಸ್ 92.5 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 5. 77.5 minus 92.5 divided by 5. So similarly each xi ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು 92.5 ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ divided by 5 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, you will get di values. Okay, so next column fi into di. fi ಅಂದ್ರೆ given frequency into di column ಎಲ್ಲಿ find ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. 3 into minus 4, 4 into 3, 7 into minus 2, 7 into minus 1. You have to write this. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನಾಗ್ತದ, ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಐ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಐ. ಸೊ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಐ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಐ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೆಚ್. ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ, ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ 92.5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 60 ಇಂಟು 5. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, 93. Okay, 92.5 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.5 which is equal to 93. So next ನನಗೆ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನೈತಿ, h ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ n ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು n ಇಂಟು ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಐ ಡಿ ಐ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಐ ಡಿ ಐ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಡಿ ಐ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಡಿ ಐ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ and di square value I have to take it out. di value already find ಮಾಡಿದ್ದದ. so di square ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. so square of all these numbers, 4 square, 3 square, 2 square, you have to take here. Okay, so last column fi into di square. so di square illada, fi values illidaವ, multiply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. 16 into 3, 9 into 4, 4 into 7, 1 into 7, 15 into 0, 9 into 1, 6 into 4, 9 into 6, 16 into 3. So ಈ values ನ total ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. Okay, so then substitute the values in this formula. h ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ, 5 ಅದ, n value 60 ಅದ. so 60 into f5 di square value 254 minus 6 square. so value how much you get, 105.58. so when you are calculating using this method, so remember the formula carefully. So this is one more way of calculating mean, variance and standard deviation using shortcut method. Okay, so we'll see last one more example based on the same concept. So the diameter of the circles drawn is design given below. Calculate standard deviation and mean diameter of the circles ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ circles the ಇದನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, class intervals ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, even frequency is given. Frequencies are given like this: 15, 17, 21, 22 and 25. so these are the frequencies given to you. okay, class interval frequency ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. so mean diameter ದು ಮತ್ತೆ standard deviation ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. so you can use any method here. so I am using the first method here. okay, so first method use ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ first thing, see the class intervals. ಈಗ previous ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಂತ ಎರಡು examples ಒಳಗ class intervals were continuous. okay, for example, if I see the previous example, 70 to 75, 75 to 80, 80 to 85, they were continuous. Okay, in this example they are not continuous. 33 to 36, next 37 to 40, 41 to 44, continuous illa. So write down one more class interval. Okay, by taking 0.5 less from the lower limit, 0.5 more from the upper limit. So idenagtada, 32.5 to 36.5, 36.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 44.5, 44.5 to 48.5, 48.5 to 52.5. Okay, so when the class intervals are not given continuous, you have to make them continuous by taking 0.5 less from the lower limit, adding 0.5 more to the upper limit. So ಇದನ್ನ first step ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು continuous ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. Okay, so next way will be simple. Again you have to find xi values. So xi values is adding these two and dividing by 2. So 32.5 plus 36.5 divided by 4. 2. So you will get 34.5. Okay, then add these two and divide it by 2, you will get 38.5. So next one will be 42.5. Next one will be 46.5. Then 50.5. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ xi ada, fi ada, so I multiply fi into xi. So n value you get it as 100. Okay, so fi into xi, you have to multiply these two terms, these two. Okay, 15 into 34.5, you get 517.5. Next 38.5 into 17, you get 654.5. 21 into 42.5, 892.5. Next 46.5 into 22, you get 100,023. 50.5 into 25, 1262.5. So you get summation fi into xi value as 4350. Okay, by adding all these terms, 517.5, 654.5. Similarly, if you add all these, you will get 4350. So x bar value will be equal to summation fi xi divided by n. So 4350 divided by n value is how much? 100. So you get 43.50. So this is x bar value. So next column will be, first example ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, xi minus x bar, xi minus x bar square, then fi into xi minus x bar. Okay, so xi minus x bar, xi values ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾವ, x bar values ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾವ. So 34.5 minus 43.5. So it is minus 9. 38.5 minus 43.5. 38 minus 43, it is minus 5. 42.5 minus 43.5, it is minus 1. 46.5 minus 43.5, so it is 3. 50.5 minus 43.5, it is 7. Okay, next take the square of this. 81, 25, 1, 3 square is 9, it is 49. Okay, so next you have to multiply xi minus x bar square with fi. Fi column is here. So take multiply 15 into 81. So you get 1215. Next 25 into 17, 425. 21 into 1, it is 21. So 9 into 22, 198. Next 49 into 25, so you get 1225. Add all this, so this will be summation fi into xi minus x bar square. So which is equal to 3084. So last variance is equal to formula 1 by n summation fi into xi minus x bar square. So it is 1 by 100 into 3084. So which is equal to 30.84. So they have told you to calculate standard deviation. So it is root of 30.84, which is equal to 5.55. So only difference ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. So then calculating standard deviation and mean will be same. Okay, either of two formula, you can utilize any one formula to solve it. In particularly shortcut method ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Okay, so this completes all the examples on variance and standard deviation. So last few theoretical questions are there, so that I'll be taking in the next session. Thank you.